Here we go, guys. Leaf Rookie Retro 2016. Starting a new case today. This case will encompass boxes 61 to 65. Whoop! Good luck. We're going to do 61 and 62 today. 63 and 64 will be in the store tomorrow, Friday, and then we'll finish up on Saturday with box 65. Good luck. I'm not going to listen to Sean Paul or Rookie Retro. Sorry, Sean Paul. Alright. First up, we'll roll to see which box we're going to do. 1 through 5, top to bottom. If I roll a 6, I'll roll again. Box 2. And now for the randomizer. Good luck. Going to hit the randomizer 4 times. 22 spot random letter style. Berserker Baseball, the top and the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Berserker Baseball and Steve, top and bottom. All right, on to the letters A through Y. 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 4. E up top, W on the bottom. Alright, sorting by your names here. Attila D, Ozcard Guy I, Babro J, Berserker Baseball E, F, K, V, BGP 100 O, Crippen L, A, Dennis 75 T, Jake W 33 M, Mathon G, Mike EX H, Puddles of Doom Y, Raphael ZDP, SC Dixon C, SMD B, Steve RSW, and YBJN. I love when I do this breaks and we got guys that join that their name is just like 3 letters. You know, it's like SMDB, YBJN. It all just rolls together, you know? BGP 100. All right. Good stuff. Good luck, guys. Let me save this list and we'll rip it. Andrew Benintendi, letter B. Going to SMD with letter B. Benintendi. Alright, I'm going too far there. Sorry. I'll chill out, guys. I'll slow down a little bit here. Slow your roll. Breaker. The buyback is basketball. Steph Curry. Upper Deck. 9-5. Steph Curry. 0910 Upper Deck. Short print number 234. And a 9.5. 9.5s all the way across. Star Rookie Curry. Letter C. SC Dixon. This is Steph Curry. Congratulations, man. Nice card. Very cool. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and joining. We got the next box, box 62 coming up next.